Wiehl is a former prosecutor, Fox News legal analyst, and criminal defense attorney Monica Lindstrom joins us. And Monica, I'll go to you first because last week you were inside the courtroom, but I want to ask you what's going on here. So much testimony about what she claims to be a life of physical and emotional abuse that she suffered.
Right.
Now, she's not claiming diminished capacity or insanity, but nevertheless, is this to lay the groundwork for a sort of mental defense connected to self-defense?
Absolutely. See, we already know that the defense is going to have experts come on to talk about battered women and the abuse and what she feels like or what this caused her to be like. So she needs to lay the groundwork of her life and her history and the abuse that she's suffered in her life and why she stayed with someone who was so sexually aggressive or who abused her. Without her laying this groundwork, the experts wouldn't be able to testify about why they came to the opinion that will probably hear next week.
And Monica, what about the so-called imperfect self-defense, an honest but mistaken belief that your life is in imminent danger because of all of the alleged physical and mental abuse over the years and so forth? You just mistakenly misunderstood the circumstances.
Well, I don't think that's going to go very far in this case because in Arizona, she has to show that he is the one that was the abuser to her and that he was threatening her with imminent physical force and deadly force. If she can't show that, if she can't show this history with him, she's not going to be able to use that self-defense justification at all. I think just a mistake will even get the instruction in because she needs to give more evidence, and they haven't really put anything out there yet.
Monica, that could go in the defendant's favor because in closing arguments, defense attorney is going to say only a traumatized and abused person would lash out with such extreme violence like that.
Absolutely. And you know, it only takes one juror to agree with her, to feel sorry for her, to like her, which is one of the reasons why she's going on and on and on about all the details in her life, because she wants to draw that jury in, get a like interest, a like experience, something for a juror to relate to her. So when they get to that part, they can say, but we know why she did this. She only needs one to agree with her.
But there's no support for the claim she's making about the abuse with this guy. I mean, there's just nothing to support that.
I think they're just trying to save her life from the death penalty, and that's
that's what's on the table, exactly.
Okay, Monica Lindstrom, who was inside the courtroom before, and Wiehl, thank you both.
Thank you.
Let's go to John's.